How eating a rainbow of fruits and vegetables can supercharge your weight loss journey. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let's talk weight loss. We all know restrictive diets and fad trends can be discouraging. But what if there was a fun, sustainable way to shed pounds while nourishing your body? Enter the power of eating a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. Today, we'll explore how these colorful powerhouses can become your secret weapon for weight loss and overall health. Why fruits and vegetables? Debunking weight loss myths. Before we dive in, let's address some common myths about fruits and vegetables. Myth 1. All fruits are high in sugar. While some fruits have natural sugars like fructose, they're packed with fiber that slows down sugar absorption. They're a much healthier alternative to processed sugary treats. Myth 2. Starchy vegetables are bad for weight loss. Complex carbohydrates in vegetables like potatoes and corn provide sustained energy and keep you feeling full longer. Just be mindful of portion sizes and preparation methods, baked versus fried. The power of produce. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Fruits and vegetables are champions for weight loss because of several factors. Low calorie density. Most fruits and vegetables are packed with water and fiber, filling you up for fewer calories. This helps manage your overall calorie intake naturally. Nutrient-rich. They're bursting with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support your metabolism and keep your body functioning optimally for weight management. Fiber fantastic. Fiber slows down digestion, preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings and overeating. The rainbow connection. Now, let's explore the magic behind different colored fruits and vegetables. Red. Think tomatoes, strawberries, and watermelon. These are rich in lycopene, which can improve heart health and may even aid weight management by boosting metabolism. Orange and yellow. Bell peppers, carrots, and mangoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, crucial for vision and immunity. These are also great sources of vitamin C, which helps your body absorb iron and promotes healthy skin. Green. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are champions of fiber, folate, and iron. They keep you energized, support digestion, and may even help build muscle mass, which can further boost metabolism. Purple and blue. Eggplant, blueberries, and grapes contain anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants with anti-inflammatory properties that may help regulate blood sugar and reduce belly fat. White. Don't underestimate white. Cauliflower, mushrooms, and bananas provide essential potassium, important for muscle function, blood pressure control, and fluid balance. Rainbow recipe ideas. Let's turn these colorful stars into delicious meals and snacks that support your weight loss journey. Breakfast on the go. Prep overnight oats with chopped fruits like berries and mango for a fiber-rich and satisfying start. Rainbow Power Bowl. Roast a variety of colorful veggies like broccoli, sweet potatoes, and bell peppers with a drizzle of olive oil. Top with lean protein like grilled chicken or tofu and a drizzle of tahini sauce. Rainbow Salad Symphony. Get creative. Combine leafy greens, cherry tomatoes, sliced cucumber, chopped red onion, and a sprinkle of feta cheese. Drizzle with a light vinaigrette dressing. Rainbow Snack Platter. Slice up fruits and vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, apples, and grapes. Pair them with hummus or low-fat yogurt for dipping. Rainbow Smoothie Reboot. Blend spinach, banana, berries, and almond milk for a refreshing post-workout or afternoon pick-me-up. Pro tips for rainbow success. Here are some extra tips to make sure your rainbow journey is smooth sailing. Spice up your life. Don't fear spices. Use herbs and spices to add flavor without adding calories. Experiment with different flavor profiles like Italian, Indian, or Mexican for variety in your dishes. Make it fun and explore. Explore new fruits and vegetables at the farmer's market or grocery store. Look for seasonal produce to get the freshest flavors at the best prices. Frozen is fantastic. Frozen fruits and vegetables are a lifesaver. They're readily available, budget-friendly, and retain their nutrients. Keep a bag of frozen mixed berries or chopped broccoli on hand for easy additions to meals. Prep is key. Wash and cut veggies in advance for easy snacking or adding to meals throughout the week. Conclusion: eating a rainbow of fruits and vegetables isn't just about weight loss, it's about giving your body the vibrant fuel it needs to thrive. Remember, sustainable weight loss comes from making healthy choices you can stick with. So, embrace the rainbow, experiment with flavors, and watch your weight loss journey blossom. Call to action: leave a comment below with your favorite rainbow recipe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more healthy lifestyle tips. Let's get colorful together. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.